Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm cooking the base gravy, which is the most important item you can cook for your BRI curries. This method of cooking is completely different from what you used to. I've been using this method for over 40 years and my mother before me as well, when we used to be in the restaurant trade. I'm no longer in the restaurant trade, that's why I'm able to share you with all my secrets. So we need to cook all the pre-cooked items as well. If you haven't seen any of my videos, you must watch my series and watch the first 7 episodes, which will show you how to cook all the pre-cooked items. This is most important, because if you haven't got all the ingredients ready like this, we can't cook the curries. Curries will cook very quickly. So once you've got all your ingredients ready, I'm going to show you how to cook like bendi bhaji here, which is delicious. Bombay potato. We have also mushroom bhaji, saag aloo. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you. My series will cover the whole of a restaurant menu. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cooking. Right, we're ready to cook saag aloo. Same again. Ladle full of, or spoonful of oil. Fresh garlic. Pinch of
green chili in there?
No green chili, that's green pepper.
Sorry, green pepper.
Capsicum. Spinach.
Lovely. It's the main ingredient for this dish.
Yeah, because these are raw stuff, we're going to put a bit of salt. Maybe a little bit more oil. Mixed spice. Methi goes in. Full onions, a spoon and a half, about a spoon I would say. And then we want potatoes, because this is a saag aloo. Got another one. Okay. Fresh coriander. And again, tomatoes. Now you can make these a little bit smaller, yeah. So just cut it in half. As you can see, I take it off the burner because it's much easier to move around. Then mixed spice and then gravy, finish off. Again, we can put a little bit of spice, chili powder to give it more flavour. It's entirely up to you.
Yeah.
You can add more or less. Remember, you're the chef in your kitchen, so you can do whatever you like. I'm giving you the recipes.
That's proper damn good techers there, sir.
Okay, what's next?
Do you want to make some of the main dishes now then, if you're going to...
Do we do the mushroom bhaji?
No, I haven't done mushroom bhaji.
Okay, mushroom bhaji. I'll do the side dishes first. I think 4 side dishes is enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to do a mushroom bhaji?
Yeah, do mushroom bhaji next. As you can see, Liam, it doesn't take long.
Once you have your prep down, you know.
That's what takes the time.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
And as well, I like how you're demonstrating as well the different styles. Like you have your gravy base.
Yeah.
You've got everything off your ingredients for each ones that you want. And then it's a combination of the right.
But you have to make sure that you put the combination of all the ingredients together to make the final dish.
Yeah.
So we're nearly ready.
You can see the spinach is really just kind of fusing into it.
Yeah, I always find that the frozen leaf spinach is the best. I used to use blocks of it at the restaurant, but I found some here. It's quick as well, and it's as good as the fresh. You know?
Yeah, spinach really is one of those things that can hold a lot even when it's frozen, you know.
Yeah. But if you use a frozen, always make sure it's leaf spinach.
Okay, yeah.
There's sometimes they do a pulp and it goes all gooey. It's horrible.
Yeah, I know what you mean. I've experienced that alright.
You'll find that the spinach will always take in a bit more oil than normal. Okay, we're ready on this one.